Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be my first unboxing video and I'm really excited about that. We are gonna unbox the Cubelelo Drift Timer. Premium speed cubing timer, we'll see about that. Precise timer accurate to 0.001 with super sensitive touchpads. Then why do we need this? So, this is the box. Instructions for battery use. I might know that. Warning. Do not swallow. This product contains small parts. Okay, not suitable for children under 3 years of age. Yes, I'm old enough. This is the timer and it comes with this, with a card. Genuine products. Okay. Cube Care. Show some love to your puzzles. Okay, but after this video. And it comes with this instructions, which I don't think I can read it by this year. Oops. And this is what you attach to the mat so that you can keep the timer stable and it does not move when you solve or start or stop the timer. And finally, this is the timer. Oh my god, that looks so good. Look at the design of it. I think I'll keep admiring it the whole day. Okay, so this is the back part of it. The tool I was talking about fits into this and locks up onto the mat. And let's see what this timer can do. So to start the timer, you have to click on this button. What? Oh, I'm a speed cuber. Adding batteries to my timer is a part of my job. And now that should work. Now we can turn on the timer, start, and also stop, and reset it. So that's all the timer. The video ends. Thank you for watching. So we'll be talking about the features and functions of this timer, as we all know that the timer can start or turn on, and we'll be talking about how to start and stop this timer. For that, you keep your hands onto the timer like this and wait till the green light turns on, not the red one, like this. The timer didn't start because only the red one was on. So when the green light turns on, the timer actually starts and you keep your hands onto it back again to stop the timer. And you can reset it. I'll show you. Green light is on, start, stop. And then you can press reset, because if you start a solve like this, it won't start. Or else if you have sometimes forget to reset your solve, it might just begin from where you stopped and it will be the worst nightmare. So you reset it and you can start and stop. And also if you keep your hands onto the timer for a long time, it just starts by itself. You can see that I never took my hands off, but it just started and just stop. I don't think if it's necessary, because nobody is gonna keep their hands onto the timer for such long, and if they know about the green light, I think that's more than enough. What I actually like about this timer is that the turning on and off buttons and the reset buttons are harder to push. You might be asking, why should it be harder? It should be easier so that it's user friendly and stuff. But no, it should be harder. You might have seen in the World Championship how the timer got reset and just turned off. So for that, if you make this harder and you stop your timer and accidentally your thumb hits onto one of these buttons and your timer just goes off or just reset your solve, so that solve won't count and will result into a DNF, did not finish, and you won't even get another chance for that. So it's better to have harder buttons. You might be thinking what these two buttons are meant for. This is used for saving solves and this is used to view them, but you can save only 3 solves. What? Memory is much better than that. Okay, so if this is your PB and you want to save it, it's not mine though, but still if you want to save it, you click onto the save button. You can see time 1 and 0 seconds blinking. So this solve is going to save as time 1. So we click onto the save button and it gets saved as time 1. We click on reset to get out of this and the time 1 is gone, and then reset the solve. And if you want to save another solve, maybe this one, so what you do is you click on save again. You can see this is time 1, but you don't want to replace it. So you go to the next solve by clicking onto this button. This takes you to time 2. And there you can click onto the save button. And it's saved as time 2. Then time 3. And then back time 1. So if you want to delete these solves, what you do is click on reset, reset the solve, go to save again. And you can see that there's 0 seconds and this solve. So you click on the save button again, which will delete the solve. And it's deleted. Then you go to reset and see your solves by clicking on this button. Time 1 has become 0 seconds. The same steps are used for all 3 solves by using these 2 buttons alternately and also the reset button. Let's see if this precise timer is accurate to 0.001 with super sensitive touchpads versus frame seconds. Let's see who wins. If the solve is good, then the timer is good. And there we go. 3, 2, 1 and go. Yes, this is a good solve, so this is a good timer. Let's see that in frame seconds and go. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Link to these products and suggested products in the description, and see you all later.